Hello everyone, Lee here with Narhi Auctions. Here we have the John Deere 2355. We pull started in about 3 feet. Got power steering. It's got a 2-stage clutch, live PTO. Do a little walk around for you here. It's operating the 3-point arms for you there. And kick on the PTO.
Got 2-stage clutch.
There goes the PTO. It's got a 2-stage clutch, so live PTO.
8 speeds forward, 4 speeds in reverse.
You didn't catch that? 8 speeds forward, 4 speeds in reverse.